Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 1 quiz assessment of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. So guys, for the past 5 years we are providing the solutions guys for these assessments with high accuracy. So for this season also we are confident to bring out the best solutions for you. So I hope all of the solutions are 100% correct. If there are any changes that comes to your notice, please give your opinion in the comment section guys, so that we will update the solutions in the comment section. So before final submission, once again check the comment section if there are any comments available regarding the changes or updates. So let's see the first question. What does f of this number return for the following function definition? So while x greater than 1, this condition will be applied. So this is a while loop, right? So here this is greater than 1. So like this it will continues. So it is a long process to explain. So we cannot give all the process here. So I am directly giving the solution for you because it is a big loop, right? So the answer for this is 25. 25. Now let's move on to the second question. What is h of 60 minus h of 45? So they have given a function h of n. So initially s equals 0. So they have given a for loop with condition, and if condition, and within that if condition s equals s plus I. Finally it should return s. So we have to calculate first h of 60 and later h of 45. So for second question, if you do like this, you'll get answer as 75. 70. Now let's move on to the third question. Third one. So before moving into this third question, I want to make a small announcement, guys. So for the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python, so we have prepared the exam preparation MCQ in video form, guys. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected those MCQs. So for this, you have to take YouTube membership, guys. There you will get 100 plus MCQs. So for one person, it is 119 rupees, guys. It is available in video format. It is valid for 1 month, guys. So if you want to join the YouTube membership, just go to our channel page. So type S Kumar Edu in the search box. Our channel will appear. So click on this join button, guys. Join button, and a page
Hello
appear like
guys,
this.
welcome.
And select the third option, 119 per month live stream pack, and click on join here again and make payment. That's it. You will become member of our channel and you can get access to all the members only content, guys. You can see here part 1 of the Python video is already prepared, and part 2 is also prepared, guys. Part 1 and part 2, and similarly many more videos we have prepared, guys. So for the same 119 rupees, you can get all these videos, guys. Not only one subject, you can get access to all the subjects that I upload within 1 month, guys. So it's very beneficial for you. So if you want to join this, directly go to our channel page, guys. No need to message me, and you can click on this join button. Beside the subscribe button, there is join button, right? So click on that and join the channel, guys. So that's it. Now let's move on to the third question. For what value of n would g of 375 comma n return 4? So for third question, so they have given a function g of m comma n, and initially the result res equals 0. So they have given a while loop. If m greater than or equal to n, then this condition should be followed. It should be executed, right? And finally we have to return the result. Initially it is 0, and after performing this while loop, there is the result will be, some value will be stored in this variable called result, res, right? So for third question, the answer will be, after performing all the operations, it will be answer 4, guys. Answer is 4. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is fourth question, the fourth one. So consider the following function m by s. So m by s is a function. It has a parameter m. So they have given if condition. If m equals 1, then it should return 1. Else it should return m into m by s of m minus 1. That means it is a recurring function, right? So similar to factorial type of function. So it will goes on repeat until it is 1, right? So for fourth question, it is the answer is option 4, guys. Fourth option is the correct answer. So these are the solutions for week 1 assignment, guys. So once again, take a look at this. So for this PDSA Python course, so we have prepared exam preparation MCQs in video format, guys. So you'll get that in YouTube membership videos. You'll get 100 plus MCQs. For one person, it is 119 rupees only, guys, for 1 month. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared these solutions. We have collected from these MCQs from the past NPTEL courses. So you can take this pack, guys, so it will be helpful for you in the preparation for the final exam. So hope you do this. So if you have any doubts regarding the solutions or this one, you can please ask me in the comment section. You can directly go to our channel page and join our channel, guys. So you can click on this join button here beside the subscribe button and select 119 pack and you can join, guys. So for the fourth and final question, the answer will be fourth option. So that's it, guys, for this video. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like this video and please subscribe our channel and please share the video, guys. This is the most important step. So please share the video with your friends, classmates in the WhatsApp student groups so that it will be helpful for them. Like they will also get benefited like you guys. For free of cost, you will get these assignment solutions. So for the exam preparation MCQ videos, so you have to take YouTube membership, guys. Already many students have taken our pack and got benefited. So for one person it is 119 rupees, guys. For 1 month it will be valid and all the courses you can take for 119, not only one subject. Whatever I will upload, you'll get the same 119 rupees, guys. No need to pay extra price. It is for 1 month. So consider this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, guys. So this is the first week video for programming data structures and algorithms using Python course. So if you keep encouraging me like this, I can do more videos for the further weeks also, guys. So your encouragement will help us in doing the quality content like this, guys. So for further weeks, keep tuned to our channel, guys. So that's it for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.